So my name is Alys Tomlinson and I'm a photographer and now filmmaker. I really worked as a jobbing photographer, if you like, a more commercial photographer for around 20 years. And then around 10 years ago, I made a very definite decision to invest more on a personal level, on an emotional level, in long-term research-based projects. And my first major project was called Ex-Voto, which focused on pilgrimage sites in Europe. And then more recently, but although it took about 7 years, I completed work on a documentary feature film called Mother Vera. So this image is of Vera, who I met when I was making the project Ex-Voto, and I took a photograph of her, and I remember her just having this extremely captivating presence. And I remember when I took that portrait thinking there is something very special about this woman. Vera had given us her email address because I was like, oh, what, nuns have email? Wow, yeah. So I emailed her and I said, look, we met you in Grabarka, we love meeting you. Is there any chance, we can come and visit? And she invited us to the convent and said, come and stay as long as you want. And then that led to 7 years of making the film. So the film is predominantly set in a convent in Belarus. It's a documentary film, so of course we're documenting real lives. And we essentially moved into the convent and lived with the sisters, so the nuns in the convent, over a number of trips. And we also built up a very close bond, I would say, a trust and a friendship with Vera, who is the main character of the film. We were eating with the nuns, we were going to the services in the churches, we were following them when they did their work in the countryside, and we became really kind of embedded in the life of the convent. There's part of me that's very much compelled to understand the lives of other people, what motivates them to act in certain ways, how their human behaviour is different from mine, how culturally they vary. So part of me is always trying to discover. I think if you said to me on paper, what do you have in common with a nun from Belarus, Russian-speaking nun from Belarus, I'd probably be like, well, absolutely nothing. And it really made me realise that we can quite often hold on to these ideas around people, around who they are, around their character, ideas around people's personalities or vocations that they choose to go into. And actually what really connects you is the human condition. With all my work, whether it's photography or filmmaking, it's almost like a slow reveal. It's really about discovering what's underneath. What I'm questioning continually is, how are they different to me? How are these people different to the way I see the world? But ultimately, if I'm to take away anything from my many years as working as a photographer and now a filmmaker, it's very clear to me that there's actually more that binds us than sets us apart.